I will show you how to earn $1,000 in a week with this binary option strategy for free, zero cost. All you have to do is subscribe my channel and open your account with Pocket Option or QUOTEX using the link below in this video. For this strategy, we will use the Bollinger Bands with period of 5 and deviation of the 1.2. Close it. We will also add the stochastic oscillator with periods 80 and 20. And we are gonna leave it for 14, 3, and 3. This will be very easy to learn to apply on the chart. We are going to trade on oversolds or overbuys. And when the candlesticks are in the highest levels or the lower levels or inside of the Bollinger Bands, it will be the first signal that we are going to trade soon, or the next signal will be the moving average inside the stochastic oscillator. Also cross each other, but they must be either oversold or overbought, and the trades will be for 1 minute. Let's go to change this to 1 minute. And that's it for 1 minute. Let's see how much money we can make with this strategy and $100 account. And I forgot it. The charts, we are gonna look at it for 30 seconds. So wish me good luck. Okay guys, you saw this strategy is so powerful, but I'm gonna give you a few advice if you want to using this turbo strategy for binary options. Is trading only in favor of the trend, wait to crossing the moving average. You can trade 2 and 30 seconds. You saw I changed the time frame because in a few trades I have a stronger reverse, and sometimes I feel scared in the moment they almost leave me all the money, but have a good luck and ending today with a good profits, just starting with $100 on my balance. So I really hope that this video like it. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, activate the notification bell, and see you in the next wave.